Rapid snow melt. Gotta like that. Got dumped on a few days ago, or a couple of days ago, and it's going fast, thank God. I do not like snow. It's feeling like spring out here today, man. Gotta love it. March is coming in like a lamb, just the way we like it, and so do the palm trees. Yeah, Nandina's got berries on it. Beautiful out here. Just the sun actually has warmth to it. And that's a good thing this far north. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are feeling like spring wherever you are too, if you're this far north. Cheers from the Gulf Islands.